Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can cast our mobile screen on your laptop. Easy method you can follow step by step. So now what we can do, right click on the start menu and select system. Again, click on system and scroll down. You can see here project to this PC. Go to optional features. On the right side, you can see view features. Click on that and scroll down. Here you can find wireless display. I'm gonna select, go to next and click on install. And this will take several minutes. Please wait until the installation complete. Once it is done, and go back to the settings, and here you can see system project to this PC. So click on the always off recommended, then select available everywhere. Okay, so once it is done, now your laptop is ready. Click on launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. Now here you can see your laptop is ready to connect, and go to your Android devices and swipe up, review your quick settings. You can see Miracast or Smart View in your Android devices. After you enable the features, select your laptop from the list and connect. After enabling the features, you can watch your mobile device in your laptop on real time. Once you complete, tap the settings and disconnect from the laptop or your Android devices.